it's your girl Celeste Renee, and I am back with another video. So yes, I'm sweaty. I literally just got back from working out. I burned 500 calories in 41 minutes, and I am excited. So I'm hungry, and this video is going to be about no, I'm playing. Well, I'm serious. It's I'm about to make a protein shake, and I'm about to show y'all my go-to protein shakes. Because first off, let me just say this, I'm not a protein drinker. I don't really care for protein shakes because they're nasty. They taste chalky, nasty. But I found a brand that I really like, and this is not sponsored. I actually had recorded this video literally 8 months ago, and I had went to upload it, and the footage got messed up, and iMovie wouldn't let me upload it. And so today I was really craving protein shake for some odd reason, and so I was like, you know what, I might as well just record this because you know I share everything else with you guys, so might as well. So yes, I'm about to make a protein shake. It's gonna be chocolate. I really wanted a drink from Jamba Juice, a smoothie from Jamba Juice, but there's no Jamba Juice close by. I mean, it's like a 15-minute drive, but anybody has time for that, and I'm really hungry, and I was like, I could just do this at home and content. So yes, the protein that I use, and I actually use it, this is my favorite one. So let me just start by saying it's called Fitness. It is a woman's complete protein shake. Has 16 grams of protein, 90 calories, and it's gluten free. This one's chocolate. This one is literally almost gone because this is the one I use often, and this one's vanilla chai. I really don't use this one that often. Not that it tastes bad. It smells really good. I just prefer the chocolate more. And the crazy thing is, guys, is I hate chocolate. No, let me not say that. I like chocolate, like chocolate bars. Well, I don't like Snickers. I like just a chocolate bar with almonds in it, but I don't like chocolate, like chocolate ice cream, chocolate cake, chocolate milk. I don't drink milk anyways, but chocolate desserts I don't care for. So the fact that I even like this chocolate drink is really weird for me. But yeah, so let's get started. I ordered this off of Amazon. I honestly don't know if they still have it on Amazon. I didn't check before I made the video. I've had this for let me check to see if there's an expiration date before I tell you how long I've had this, so y'all don't try to come for me. Expires 30/20/20. Okay, so I've had this for about 2 years, so yeah, but I'm still good. It expires 2020, so you know it lasts a while. I think when I ordered it, I want to say it was I'm not gonna lie, I know it was in the double digits, less than 20. I know it was less than 20 though, because child, I wouldn't have paid more than $20 for this, no ma'am. And I feel like the first time I got it, I'm still sweating, guys, because I literally just got my sports bra is still wet. I had a shirt on, but it was so sweaty, and I was it just looked disgusting. But I'm literally burning up. I joined 9 rounds and I'm gonna do a video about it because you guys know, I'm sorry, let me just get this little tangent out. Y'all know I did I Love Kickboxing for a whole year, right? So my membership ended, and I wanted to do something different, and I was like, I don't want to do kickboxing anymore. So when my contract ended, it was for a year. I didn't do kickboxing for 3 months, and I was I really missed it. So I was let me try 9 rounds, you know, something different, because I love kickboxing. Towards the end, it just really wasn't doing it for me. It was just okay, child, this no ma'am. So I did 9 rounds, and y'all, first off, I'm not even gonna tell y'all anything because I'm about to do a video on it, but shoot, just you can tell by my face, I'm about to put y'all on game. I'm gonna tell y'all the prices, the pros and cons, and it's not even biased because I paid for both memberships, so you know I'm about to put y'all on. Thank you. Y'all can thank me in advance. But anyways, back to the video. Okay, so yes, this is a chocolate one. I'm gonna show y'all that I actually use this stuff because it's literally almost gone. You see this one compared to the vanilla chai, see how much is in there? I don't really, ooh, yeah, it's dust. I don't really use that one. So anyways, let's get started. Well, yeah, you need a blender. Well, I mean, you could just literally put a scoop of this in water in a blender bottle and just shake it up and go. Sometimes I do that. I haven't done that in a while. When I was on my little protein kick, I would just do that, shake it up with some water and go. But today I really want a smoothie type of thing. So I'm gonna use my NutriBullet. You can use any blender, honestly. My mama got me this, so y'all know all my household appliances my mama brought. Because if it was up to me, I would just have a kitchen with no appliances, because who about to pay for that? Not me. So anyways, yes. What was she saying? Oh, so we're gonna take a scoop. Just 1 scoop. Fitness tonight. Okay, 1 scoop, and this is the cup that comes with the NutriBullet, and just pour it on in there. Ignore my messed up nail. I went to New Orleans this past weekend and chipped my nail, so you know that means I had some fun. I have almond milk. I said I don't drink milk, and I don't drink milk, but the Jamba Juice thing that they put milk. I normally, when I make a smoothie with this Fitness Delight protein, I don't just put water in it, but I just kind of wanted something a little creamy. Ooh, child, this almond milk, when does it expire? It says used by August 2nd, 2019. Maybe you gotta shake it. I don't drink milk, guys. Shake well, serves chill. It came, refrigerate after open. Okay, because I'm like, it came in like, it wasn't cold when I brought it. It was just in like the food aisle. And I was like, that's so cool. I don't drink milk. But somebody else told me like almond milk is a good alternative. So I was like, what the hell? I'll try it. So I'm just going to put, can y'all see? Okay. I'm just going to put the whole thing in there. I mean, it's only 30 calories. So this is unsweetened. Oh, it's unsweetened vanilla. Child, I don't even know what I brought. So we'll see how this goes. And then I'm just gonna put some ice. These are my Christmas cups for my Christmas party after. Let me not talk about my Christmas party because it's gonna make me upset. And so I'm gonna put the top on it. And then I'm gonna give it, I normally put a banana in it, but I know I'm on my keto kick, so can't really have no bananas. Now, I don't know how this is gonna come out with the almond milk. I haven't tried it with almond milk before. I normally just try it with water. So if it's nasty, I haven't used this. I think it needs some more liquids. I have to put some water in. Let's see. Oh, y'all, it's kind of, let me. Oh, see, no, it's kind of looking like an icy that you get from Sonic. That's not what we're going for. Let's get a little spoon. Yeah, it's looking like, actually it's looking like one of them Wendy's things. Does it taste good? We need to put some ooh, that's splattering all over me. It's still like a lot of ice in it. It really don't taste bad, y'all. Okay. You know, I just have to give y'all a couple of laughs throughout the video so y'all can watch, so y'all will watch it all. Okay, clearly it doesn't want to be a smoothie, so it's just gonna be an icy consistency because I ain't got time and I'm hungry. Oh, but I did want to show y'all this. So, you know, sometimes you don't always have like a blender with you, but look, I brought this like 2 years ago, and I literally, when I went to go find the top for my NutriBullet, I forgot I had brought this. But this is a portable smoothie maker, and like I've only used it one time. The battery's dead, but it's really good, y'all. Like I used it once. I took it with me to school. I just put the fruit in there, some ice cubes, some water, mixed up, had a smoothie. Not dying on camera. And it has like a little charging thing. All you have to do is just charge it. But I got this off of Amazon 2 years ago, and it was like, I don't even know how much it was. I want to say less than $20, but I know it wasn't. It probably was like $30. Honestly, I don't know. It probably wasn't even worth the money. Look, because I've only used it one time. Not because it's a bad product, but because I'm just like a very impulsive buyer. I see something like, oh, that'd be so useful on my weight loss journey, and I don't even use it. So anyways, this is just gonna be like a little smoothie from Wendy's because sorry, clearly I can't make a smoothie. But yeah, if you're looking for a protein to try that's like actually tastes good, I would definitely recommend this. Like, it's almost gone. It has 90 calories. It has 3 grams of carbs, which is really good, and it has 1 gram of dietary fiber. So that's really good. 3 grams in 1 scoop. So if you're on keto, well, it has whey. I don't know. I'm I'm not really like strict keto, so like if I want to have a protein drink, I'm gonna have a protein. Like it's not that crucial. Like if I go over my macros, I'll just, you know, burn some extra calories later on. But anyways, let's not get off topic. It's really good. This is a vanilla chai flavor. And once again, this is not sponsored, so I'm not just like feeding y'all some BS because somebody was like, oh, Celeste will pay you to do this. No, this is real life. I brought this from my real coin. I don't know why I'm talking so fast. But yes, it's really good. It's really good on the go too. Like I literally just put a scoop in with some like water. If I'm like going to the gym or something, I'm just hungry and I don't want a lot of calories. Shake, 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 go, 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 boom. And they say protein drinks like help too. My trainer's always like, drink some protein. I'm like, eh. But I was just craving chocolate today, honestly, and a chocolate smoothie. Clearly this is not a smoothie, it's more of a frosty. It's not really what I wanted. So yeah, I'm probably not gonna drink this because I really wanted a smoothie and this is not giving me smoothie consistency. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you go out and try it, and if you have tried it before, let me know if you like it. I think they have other flavors too. I don't know. I haven't ordered it in 2 years because it lasts until 2020 and I literally brought it forever ago. See? 20, oh, you can't see it, but 2020. So yes, if you're looking for a protein, there's your go-to. Bye guys.